John, at exactly 7:04 p.m. November 13, 2023, former Senator Leila de Lima is out on bail as a free woman. As you heard, ang sinabi ulit ni former Senator Leila de Lima is free at last. You know, that was the first thing she told me paglabas niya ng courtroom nung nakita ko siya. Sabi niya, free at last. And then when she greeted her supporters outside of the RTC, she also said, freedom at last. It's repetitive words, but it's the only word you can say at this point after 6 years and 9 months of detention. Really, the only thing you can say is free at last.
Sige natin, alam mo sila pa.